Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is currently Tuesday. And you know what that means. There's a 50-50 chance you're getting free stuff from Epic Games today. And good luck, you are getting free stuff. The first thing we are looking at right now, so this is the Fab Marketplace, previously the Unreal Engine Marketplace giveaways. This one is a collection of 3 different assets. They are yours to keep forever if you, air quotes, buy them before the first, I guess, 2 Tuesdays from now. So you've got 2 weeks to pick these ones up. And what you see in front of you is a whole lot of bread. Yes, this is a modular bakery environment. By the way, I'm going to sound a little bit different in this video because I am currently on vacation. It's also probably going to be a little bit shorter of a video because I am currently on vacation. And to be honest, the assets are pretty limited in terms of requiring explanation. So this is the first one. Again, a modular environment for creating a bakery. As you can see, there's a number of different meshes you literally drop into your own environment. So if you needed a Coke, here is a Coke as an example. So that is the first asset. We've got the modular bakery there. The second one is also modular. This is the modern house. Let's go ahead, load up the demo level there. And it is same kind of concept, but this one is a house. You can find the lighting is a little wonky on this one, but you get everything you see here to populate a modern style house, including apparently a waterfall, because we all have waterfalls in our modern houses. We can get some art installations going on over here. Again, like I said, the lighting in some areas of this is a little bit wonky. So our bathroom is quite dark when you first enter it. And over here, I think it's just the house entry over here. There again is the living room and so on. You can see from the overview map here all of the assets that go together to make this one up. So everything you need to create the house externally, and then as well as to populate it with animal skins, furniture, refrigerators, blinds, and so on. There's actually quite a bit in this asset. Due to the wonky lighting, you can't actually see the scope of it. But yeah, there is a lot here, including a modern toilet. So let's go down here, see living room area. And there is your entire kitchen set. Again, the demo level has some really dark lighting, so you really can't see what is going on in this case. And then over here, again, a couple more things. There's actually more in the overview by far than what was demoed, and then all the external stuff as well. So 2 modular kits, one for a bakery, the other one for just a house creation. And then our final thing is a blueprint driven. This is the Parry system. Now I have to try and remember exactly where the controls are. I think it's in here. Yeah, so let's go load up the demo map here. And you're about to discover something about me. I absolutely suck at parrying. So you can block by holding the right mouse button, and parry, hold right mouse button, and you have a 0.35 second. And then to finish your enemy, hit the left mouse button. So let's go ahead and run this demo. So obviously, if you want to have a parrying system for your game, you can see there with this weapon. So he's going to swing at me, and I'm going to attempt to parry. Swing and miss. And swing and missed. All right, let's try with this guy. So that guy, I think that guy was actually unblockable. So let's go there. So you see, a successful parry. I actually did it. So here, parry with a counter. And then over here, we got parry, attack, indicator, can't exec finisher, insta-kill, ragdoll. So let's do the same thing, and way too early. All right, let's try that one more time. There you go. And then over here, we've got just 2 guys that you could just finish if you wish. And here we got a guy from behind, and bang. So you got parrying systems and you got finishing moves in this particular one. And that is basically this month's free stuff. So we're going to take a look at them in the browser. So we have this is the modern house. Again, you are going to get a choice of either personal or professional. This is just a weird thing that they do from their end. Pick professional if you don't know which one to take. So personal it's a cheaper version that you can qualify for if you make certain revenue limits. But the fact that they're giving you it away for free, you might as well get the professional one in case your revenue limits change later on. So this one is the home, and it is for Unreal Engine only. Next up, we have the parry attack system. Obviously, this one is Unreal Engine only because it is, I do believe, entirely implemented using blueprints. Now, interestingly, it does not show Unreal Engine 5.5 yet as supported, but normally these will be if they're given away. So a parry system And again, I think this one isn't, yeah, it's entirely blueprint driven. This one, by the way, is a create a new project version. So if you're going to check all these one out, start with this one because it creates a new project. And then finally, we have the module bakery. So this month's stuff is all for Unreal Engine only. One thing you want to be aware of, though, is with any of the Unreal Engine stuff, you can export it out, especially static meshes. Things like this coffee maker, these plates, and this bread, etc., can all be exported to other game engines like Unity or Godot. Super simple, and I have a number of guides of how to do so available down below. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. This month's free stuff from Fab, or I guess this 2 weeks free stuff from Fab. So you got 2 weeks to pick this all up for completely free. And again, if you're trying to decide the license, just go ahead and grab the professional one. It's just more, and you got both options. So you might as well grab the professional version, regardless to your actual situation. So we got the house, we got the parry attack system, and finally we have the modular bakery shop. So I actually think that this is a little bit better than what we saw last month. But I'm curious, what do you think of this month's free contents? Let me know, comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.